Create and delete table. In this video, we will learn table, create table and delete table. What is table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. Tables are used to store data in the database. Tables are uniquely named within database and schema. Each column of table has an associated data type that define the kind of data it can store, for example, numbers, string or temporal data. Here you can see we have syntax of table, create table, then table name, and inside this parenthesis we will write the column name with data type. As we had learned data types in C sharp, same as that we have data types in SQL Server as well. Let's see how many type of data types we have. For that we will go on microsoft.com site. So here you can see we have data types in SQL Server. So here you can see we have exact numerics like big int, bit, numeric, small int, decimal, approximate numeric like float, real. We have data types related to date, time. We have character data types, and we have Unicode characters and varchar and text and varchar, binary and others data type. So you can use all these data type while we are working with SQL Server. So the column parameters specify the name of the column. The data type parameters specify the type of data the column can hold. So let's see how can we create table. So here we had connected with SQL Server Management Studio. First we will open the query window. So now I want to create table for the student management database. So when you were creating database, that time you selected from here master database. Now I want to create table for the student management. So from here you will select your database. Alright. Now we will create one table from here. So create table and then table name, student, and inside the parenthesis we will write, first we will write the column name. So name, a name must be a text data type, so we will use varchar, and inside the varchar we need to pass the length of this varchar data type. Then age int, all right, then fee int, course name in varchar. All right. So, and at the end semicolon. Semicolon is optional part. So here we created a table student, create table student, and inside this parenthesis we are creating columns. So first column will be name and the data type for that varchar, and inside this we pass 20, so it will take 20 character length, and then age int, fee int, and the course name varchar. All right, now select this and then execute this. Command completed successfully. Now come here, select this database and then click on this refresh button and expand this database. Inside this we created table. So inside this table object you will find your dbo.student table. So dbo is a schema for this table. All right. So this is how you can create your table by query. All right. So as we created our table using query, you can create your table from this tool like this as well. Select your object table and then right click on this table, and here you can create your column name. So here I'll type the column name, course name, and then varchar, then fee int, and here you can find allow nulls. If these checks are checked, it means these both columns can carry the null value, but if you remove this, it will not allow you the null values. All right, so here I am creating one table which is having two columns, and then right click on this and then save the table. So when you are saving your table, give the name of your table. All right, and then OK. Now again come here on table and then refresh tables and then expand this, you will find your table name. So you can create your table in both way, by using the query and by the right click on this table object. All right. Now delete table. To delete table, we use drop table statement. So drop table, if exist, then table name. So if exist will check this table name is existing or not. And again, this is the optional part. So let's see how can we drop the table. So for drop the table, you will write drop table and then table name, right? And then semicolon. Select this and execute this. Right, now come here on table and then refresh this. Your table has been removed, and as you removed it by query, you can remove it like this as well. Select your table, then right click and then delete, and then OK. Right, your table is removed. So in this tutorial, what we had learned what is table, how to create and delete table using query and directly using SQL Server Management Studio tool. Thank you.